It's my first day of unemployment. It was a great day. Our last IQ stop before the wedding. Don't get married, guys. Just don't do it. Everything's going.
You're the one I trust.
So long. She's like, get me away. Good official morning, you guys, and welcome back to another vlog. I hope you're all doing well. If you're new, Luna. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Ella. I am 25. I live in Adelaide. I do a lot of vlogs and lifestyle content as well as some money and finance related videos. So if you guys are into that, definitely subscribe. Yeah, happy Friday. I am in like the best mood today. It's the first day of the month. It's the beginning of wedding month. It's my first day of unemployment. I'm so happy. Like, I probably shouldn't be this happy being jobless, but given the circumstances and the events that led to me quitting my job, I'm feeling great. I'm just feeling so liberated. Huge weight has been lifted off my shoulders. But no rest for the wicked. I have a lot that I want to get done today. I'm just feeling in like a very productive, good mood. So I want to make the most of it. Lots to do, busy month ahead, and I really don't have time to stop. So I've just planned my day, tried to time batch things so I'm not like going here, there, and everywhere and jumping between tasks. I want to sit down and focus on one thing at a time. I have a bunch of emails I need to send, lots of wedding stuff to do. It's just all happening. I've got a big to-do list on my phone. I've already ticked one thing off today, which is go for a walk and grab a coffee. You guys saw it is Coffee Friday. But yeah, first thing this morning, I need to pack up my work desk. They've organized a courier to come and pick up all of my stuff at some point today. I think between 9 to 5, which is kind of an annoying time frame. I'm hoping that they come earlier rather than later so I can actually leave the house rather than waiting around. But yeah, I think that's when reality will set in. Kind of scary. We have our storage containers coming at some point this morning. Again, not sure when exactly. I'm really hoping that they fit on the driveway. We've measured it and they should fit, but I'm worried. I also have a couple of packages to unbox with you guys, which is exciting. And then I have a bunch of emails to send. Our ceremony draft, I need to send that off to our celebrant so we can finalize that. Send a follow-up email to our venue manager, email the cake makers, email our builders as well, because we have an invoice that we need to pay for. And I also need to email the tour desk for Hamilton Island because we booked a couple of activities. It's really weird the way they do it. Like, you can't really book, like you have to send a request and then they confirm it and like charge your card afterwards. It's really strange. I guess because they're so busy, they accidentally booked one of our tours on like our second preference. So we have two tours that like overlap. So we'll literally have to be in two places at once, which is just not quite possible. So I need to try and rebook one of the tours and see if I can get it for a different time or a different day. I also want to go to the gym at some point today. I haven't been to the gym in a while. I just want to get some of this like energy out. Yeah, just a lot of Facebook Marketplace, messaging, organizing, packing, just the full shebang, and some wedding DIYs. I want to try and finish off all of my signage today. So yeah, it's all happening. I don't know if we'll be able to accomplish all of this in one day, but we have the weekend. And you know what? We have all the time in the world. So yeah, let's pack up this desk, shall we? Okay, this is it, guys. Say goodbye to my work desk. My work stuff is boxed away, ready to go. It still doesn't feel real, I'll be honest. I think because I've been working from home for so long and like I haven't been into the office, it all just feels like a bit of a fever dream. Like the concept of work. Like I know I work, but I don't know. It just doesn't feel quite real. I think maybe on Monday it will finally hit me. But yeah, while I wait for the courier to come, I thought I would finally unbox my mattress. This is a mattress. You may have been wondering, oh my god, Ella, what's that beautiful blue box doing in the background? The concept of box mattresses will never cease to amaze me. Like it actually blows my mind that this is a mattress. Not just any old mattress either. This is an Emma mattress, which I'm so excited about. They're actually the sponsor of this week's vlog, so a huge thank you to them. I'm so excited to be working with them. We are in desperate need of a new mattress, let me tell you. Our current one we bought a couple of years ago when we first moved out, and because we were buying like a million other things, we decided to skimp out and get like a cheap mattress, and it was a grave mistake, let me tell you, especially because you spend literally a third of your life sleeping. I don't know what we were thinking. I prioritized the decor and now I have back problems. So we're not getting any younger, the back's not getting better. Like it was really time to invest, and what better time now that we're a couple weeks out from the move. We can get rid of our old one while we're selling all of our other stuff and try out a new mattress. I'm so excited. If you guys haven't heard of Emma before, they're actually voted #1 top scoring mattress by Choice for 2021. So we are in award-winning company. And at the moment they have an Easter sale going on from the 4th of April through to the 18th of April. You can save up to 55% off store-wide, and I also have an extra 5% discount code, which is just 5 smiley, so you can save up to 60% off. Kind of unreal. You know, we're all about the savings here. We love to see it, and what better time? Make that upgrade, invest in yourself, or if you're moving, now's the perfect time. I'll have a link to their website down below if you guys are interested. They also have a 100-night free risk trial as well, so you can live your best Goldilocks life, really put it to the test. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm gonna unbox this by myself because I'm a strong, independent woman. I don't need a man. Okay, my Emma mattress is in position. It was pretty easy to do even by myself. I mean, if I can do it by myself, anyone can, but I just have to let it expand for the next 5 hours. It also came with this really handy little cutter. Honestly, incredible. Made it so much easier. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it expand. I did do a little lie test and it already feels incredible, so I can't wait to see its full potential tonight. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it expand for the next few hours and then I will hop on my sheets. I've just put them in the wash. Also, in the short time that I was unboxing the mattress, the courier came and also the storage boxes have been dropped off as well. So it's all happening around here, which is good. It means I can leave the house now this afternoon and not have to worry about not being home. So love that.
Darlene,
yes.
were you trying to vlog when I was getting angry at the footy? Sorry. Sorry.
Hi guys, it is a while later now. It's actually almost 10 o'clock. The footy's on, in case you couldn't tell. It's the showdown between Port Adelaide and the Crows. So hence the background noise. Yeah, if you hear any yelling, it's just Nick screaming at the TV. Like, they think he can hear them. Boys, who understands them? Not me. Yeah, it is a lot later in the day. We've had a very interesting afternoon. Lots of wedding drama, which I just love. You know, 3 weeks out from the wedding, couldn't think of anything better, to be quite honest. But I think it's okay. I think we've resolved the issue, but honestly, not what you need. Don't get married, guys. Just don't do it. I mean, get married, but don't have a wedding. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Also, can we please just talk about this setup, this angle? The lighting isn't the best in here because it's like nighttime, but I kind of love it Is this what happens when you clear all of your work stuff? Like all of this room for activity I didn't even know I had. I love it. I think I'm actually going to take this desk with me when we move to my parents. They have 2 spare bedrooms, so we're going to take both naturally. One for sleeping and then one for like a desk kind of office setup. So if I want to edit or if Nick wants to work from home one day, we have like a proper setup for it. So thanks mum, thanks dad. A little update on my to-do list. The day didn't quite go to plan, just with all of the drama, but I still managed to do quite a few things, ticked quite a few things off my list, and I knew I wasn't going to do all of this in one day, to be honest. So, oh, you know what I need to do? Transfer our wedding funds, because I want to make some more final payments so I can rip off some of these sticky notes. Yeah, I'm going to pay for our photographer, videographer, and also the photo booth as well, I think. But I have all of our money for the wedding sitting in a long-term savings account with like a high interest, and I wanted to keep it in there as long as possible so we could gain as much interest as possible. But we are 3 weeks out, so I need to transfer this. I don't know how to do this on, oh here. I never use like my banking. I never bank on my computer, like I just do it all through my phone. That's strange, but I have a lot of payments to make, so I want to do it on here. Okay, how much do we still have left? I'm gonna look at my wedding budget. Okay, let's work this out. Okay, so we need to transfer like 15 grand. Love that for us. Can I do that all at once? I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Do I want that all in one account? Maybe I'll do it little by little, because I don't really feel comfortable having that much money in an account that's connected to my debit card. No. Okay, now I'm gonna make our final payments for some of our vendors. We'll rip off these sticky notes. How you going? Well, I can hear every few minutes.
It's 13 points at 3/4 time.
I just paid for the photographer, videographer, and photo booth. Do you want to do the honors?
No, you should.
No, go
No,
on.
you-
I know you get more time.
No.
Go
I'll
on.
film you. I'll film you.
I'll do one. This big bad boy. Good morning, you guys. It is Saturday morning. We are up bright and early. The sun has just come out.
We're up at like 6:50.
6:30 for some.
Too much adrenaline from the Crowies win last night
Nick's in the best mood because the Crows won last night
against Port.
against Port, so even better.
You hate to see it.
We're up. We're at it. We didn't sleep in this morning. We went and grabbed a coffee though. Probably one of the last times that we'll go to this coffee.
Not Chibo in general, just the one that we go to near where we live.
You know, Chibo's is only a South Australian thing.
Yeah, didn't you know that?
No, I thought everyone had Chibo.
But well, think about when you've been like
Yeah, I guess.
interstate. I've never seen one.
Yeah, I've never thought about it. What do they have? What do people have? Starbucks?
Gloria Jeans.
Just a normal coffee shop.
Other coffee shops. Yeah.
Anyway, what's our plan for today, Nicholas?
Do some packing.
Yeah.
Probably clean up a bit around the house, and then later I'm going out. But you're not coming, are you?
No.
Okay.
I have wedding stuff to do.
Yeah. Okay, so that's the plan.
When the mattress is so good, you just want to spend all day in bed. This mattress might be the best thing ever. Okay, the house is sounding really echoey. We just sold our 3-seater couch, so we've moved. This one was over here before, the 2-seater. We moved it here, so it's in front of the TV. We said goodbye to it. Sold it on Facebook Marketplace. Bang bang, $350. Thanks very much. I have someone coming to look at this one, I think either today or tomorrow. And then we also have my desk chair up there. Someone's coming to pick that up in the next like 10 minutes or so. But yeah, everything's going. Okay, Nick's just put the washing on. While we wait for that, we're gonna do a bit more packing. It's never ending, guys, never ending. But last week we ran out of bubble wrap, so we're fully stocked with our supplies. We need to figure out how to use this tape gun thing.
I will follow.
Anyway, maybe this should be our first dance song.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Hello my friends, we just got done at IKEA, our last IKEA stop before the wedding, which is crazy. I feel like we've been so many times over the last 18 months. But yeah, we had to pick up a couple more tea lights and some more glasses. I was doing like working out the layout of our tables and the table settings, and I was like, we need some more candles because that's our main like decor piece. There's a bit of greenery down the middle and then the candles. So yeah, we stocked up, so we have plenty. Nick's just gone to put the trolley back, and yeah, I'm going over to my parents' house. I'm gonna have dinner. Nick's gonna pop in and see his parents. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Kind of a chill like Sunday. A murderer.
What's it do? Did you find your keys?
No, it was unlocked.
Unlocked it.
It was.
Oh,
It was unlocked.
Yeah, the fly screen was unlocked.
No, and so was the door.
Oh, was it?
Yeah,
Oh,
I thought you left it
unlocked.
open
I thought
for
you
me.
were coming over.
Yeah, I wondered why you were doing that.
Do we turn? Oh, I know there's still 4 up.
Oh, she said she'd tell you.
I did as well.
Oh.
No, I didn't look at any.
No,
of
I
it.
And
didn't
you
look
told
at
me
any.
off to looking at 2.
Okay, there's no need to try and jump on a bandwagon. Just admit when you're wrong. Now, do we turn this one up? Do I turn one up?
But did he look at? Did he look at 4?
Oh god.
No.
I can't deal with this. Okay. I'm not good at remembering numbers.
I've got a new name for you. You know Rita Skeeter? Rita Cheetah. What have we got, Rita?
Oh my god, you're distracting me. I keep forgetting my numbers. Right one? Is that the right one?
Golo.
That makes me nervous because I don't know all my cards yet.
Oh,
You must have a good hand.
you must have a good hand.
You did good, babe. Do you know what these remind me of?
Yes, I know what you're going to say.
Say it then.
Uno.
Protein drinks, are they called?
Oh yeah, up and go.
Up and go.
Yeah. Low and go. Go low.